Welcome back to HRCU Today. I'm Jack Heath, and today we're going to get to know Stacy Long, a mortgage loan manager here at HRCU, the Rochester branch. Stacy, thanks for being with us.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about nuts and bolts with mortgages, something I'm interested in. I'm always fascinated to know, and having bought homes myself and my wife over the years. But I first want to say, because of this MLO number requirement, that as a loan office here at HRCU, you're required to give that. I'll do it for you. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 797828.
Yep.
And what does the MLO number mean?
Sure. MLO stands for Mortgage Loan Officer. My number is 797828, and what that is the nationwide mortgage licensing system assigned that number to me, and it's basically a database that centralizes the whole mortgage industry, and it prevents fraudulent or dishonest loan officers from going from institution to institution or state to state, basically spreading bad practices. So it's all registered and it's all monitored.
Best practices here at HRCU, right?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Let's talk about some of the nuts and bolts, and let's start with the mortgage application process.
Sure.
And a lot of this can be done online, right?
Absolutely, yeah. We have two different avenues. A lot of the members who are already experienced and they've bought in homes like you, they already know the steps, so they're more comfortable applying online. It's fast, it's easy, it's convenient. A lot of the time we end up corresponding with those people via email because that's their preference. Then we have the first-time buyers who really want to come in and sit down and meet with someone, and we are more than happy to do that, and we explain the whole process from application to closing to them. So they leave with a lot of information, but they leave feeling a lot better about the whole process.
Part of the process,
Yep.
credit score,
Yep.
individual or couple,
Yep.
how important is it? Walk us through that a little bit.
It's
And can
important.
it be an issue in terms of what they end up getting as a rate?
Absolutely. It's an important factor. It's not the only factor that we look at, but a lot of third-party vendors that we use, it is a requirement to have a minimum credit score. We like to look at the whole picture. We like to look at not only their credit score, but the credit history. We like to see their employment stability, their ability to repay the loan. So it is an important factor, but it's not the only one that we look at.
Now, what about attorney's role in closing? Do people need one? Do you have one? Tell us
Yes.
about that.
Yep, they actually perform a pretty vital role in closings. We hire a title company, or you can pick one of your choosing, and they really facilitate the whole transaction. They make sure that the title to the piece of real estate that you're getting is legitimate. So what they do is they do a history with the chain of ownership, they check for outstanding liens, they check with the towns for past due taxes, and then they coordinate with the sellers, the buyers, the realtors, and HRCU to get the loan to close. So it's important to have them.
And you touch upon title insurance. That's
Yes.
part of the that's part of the process.
Yeah, title insurance is to make sure that you're actually going to be protected, because they do all their due diligence to make sure that a title is legitimate, but there are some things that aren't foreseen or not discoverable on a title report, and those are the things that you really need insurance to protect yourself against if anything were to come back to you, to know that you have that protection.
Do you like what you do here at
I
HRCU?
love what I do, yes. I
You
love
like
working here.
working with people and
Love,
your team?
love our members, and our team is amazing, and we all work really well together. Yeah.
So when you go home, do people in your household call you Agent 797828?
No.
That stops at the
Yes,
bank. All right.
yes.
Stacy, thank you so much, and I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for joining us today. If you're looking to buy a home, reach out to Stacy or someone on her team at any HRCU branch for all the help and information you're going to need. They're a great team. You'll find them in Dover, Rochester, and Farmington. I'm Jack Heath. We'll catch you next time on HRCU Today.